Okay, so as I said, there's lots on the number 14, and I just want to do something very quickly as to say, well, a lot of things happen in our world, and we take it for granted that creation is happening right before our very eyes, according to the song. Now, I just want to draw your attention. I think I have it here, and to see yeah. So I'm trying to remember what was SNAP. Yeah, so there are actually organizations being formed, or if you like, people are rallying and, protesting and wanting to actually find their peace, if you like. Now, the number one that really comes up, and I'm just going to give this as bite size, literally, on having, just a gulp of tea for this one. Okay, so welcome to Crime a Queen, where we are breaking the law of silence. Please remember to like and subscribe. Do it now, just do it now. Okay, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, so you'll be one of the first, of course, to get all the deliciousness of the tea. So, let's just look at creation. We talk about the 14 gods, that we are the embodiment of. We are speaking about verbatim gods. Now, there's a lot about, you could actually put these gods and, the tree of life, the tree of good, and the tree of evil or knowledge or whatever it is, because they come that way. They're interlinked, and we have to familiarize ourselves so we understand the gods and they can work for us. Basically, it's like you could have someone being very evil or whatever it is, but they can be good to you. So get to know the gods, have a relationship with them. So here where I want to speak on, this is the 14 gods. Now, organizations are happening, and I do say that we'll hear a lot about the number 14. So I first came across this when I saw a lot of correlation with the number 14, which I have done presentations on with Pope Francis. So let's look at Pope Francis, Francis, because of course this is the one of the most powerful figures that we have or we know. Okay, so Pope is actually, do I want to do all of this right now? Okay, let's see, because my battery is quite kind of low. So 7675. Adding this together would be 21, 22, 23, 20, that'll be 25. So 25 is 7. And Francis is actually Francis. Okay. So this is 10. This is 18, 19, 28, 34. So 34 is 7. And then we have another thing that we had Me Too, the Me Too movement. Me Too, of course, which I am Me Too, okay? And there's lots more I could do with Me Too, because it also have 5 letters. Now, in actual fact, we have MET. There is a lot to do with this, so we understand the dynamics of those movements that are happening, and whether the gods are consciously or unconsciously speaking in, when someone said, I remember watching this person who said, oh, I just decided, oh, and I put Me Too. And of course, that was the term used, but that's how the gods communicate with us. The gods want us to understand their presence. 9 plus 5, this again, Me Too is so powerful here, because it's like beginning and end, because the word beginning is 9 and 5 is 4. So we have 14 here, of course. And of course we had 14 here. I just want to show you this. Now, I not too long watched this program about the popes who have been molesting children, and of course they have now developed SNAP for those who are wanting to, find justice or, raise that awareness. What is SNAP? Which is 1 plus 5, which is 6. Of course, let's 7, and 7 is 14. And of course, as I have mentioned with Facebook business page number 14, I just wanted to highlight a few 14s that you may come across. Okay, 1 plus 4 is 5. That's what we are going back to Mother Eve.